My revenue is growing. I'm hitting my goals and I'm growing my school community.
I am making money and helping people, and I feel more confident.
And it's an incredible feeling, and it's really exciting.
Does juggling motherhood and running a business feel like your ground is slowly turning into hot lava? I've built multiple businesses to success, had 4 children, and even spent last October in Costa Rica masterminding with millionaires. If you had told me 7 years ago this is what my life would look like now, I wouldn't have believed you because I'm not that different from you. My biggest struggle through those years was feeling like there was no space for me. I didn't fit in with the hustle bros, the boss babes, or the stay-at-home moms that didn't understand my ambition. And this is why I created the Mompreneur Club.
It helps to make me feel comfortable. Even if it's just chatting and having to ask a question here and there, it feels like I'm not being left alone to vent for myself.
I highly recommend working with Michelle. She will launch you to where you never dreamed that you could be.
I'm on a mission to help 1,000 moms make $5,000 every single month without sacrificing time with their families. I created this online space where real moms with real kids can get together and build their business, even if their kids are running feral behind them. When you join, you'll get a community full of moms that are just like you and at different stages along the journey. You'll get our weekly challenges that make sure that you're doing all the right things. You'll also get our plug and play challenge database. When you click inside, you will find multiple different challenges that you can use to grow your business. You'll also get over $997 worth of training to help you turn strangers into buying customers. You'll skip the expensive and time-consuming photo shoots and use AI strategically to make sure that you're showing up as your best no matter what. You'll learn how to grow your social media platforms and monetize your content. You'll learn how to make high-ticket sales, and you'll even learn how to become a published author and speak on stage. Our calendar and join us for our weekly coffee chat calls where you can networking and growing with all of our other members. You can also join our co-working sessions so that you can work with other moms who totally understand what you're going through and get eyes on your projects. Post in the community and get support and encouragement from other moms that are in the trenches with you or a few steps ahead of you. Now, if you want to start making $5,000 a month even faster, then access our premium tiers. Inside, you get calls to review all of your content and your marketing materials. You also get calls so you can close people when you hop on a sales call with them. You get our free CRM, which is normally $98 a month. And if you upgrade to annual, you also get a one-on-one 2-hour coaching call with me so you can make sure you're on the right track. As you progress in your business, other opportunities will arise, like masterminds, retreats, and even getting access to Inner Circle. This community will give you everything that you need, from someone who's starting brand new to someone who has started making money but just wants to get to 5K consistently. Go ahead and start that free trial now.
I just have so much more clarity and confidence going into this, and I'm super stoked. Thanks, Michelle.